I'm Ziggy the French, come follow me. We'll see the zoo, come look and see. Big and small, the animals play. Let's learn some fun facts along the way. First come the lions, proud and loud. Their roar can be heard by a big, big crowd. They nap all day in the golden sun, but at night they prowl and run. Come on, there's more in view. Let's see what else we'll find at the zoo. Hey, hey, hey. High in the trees the monkeys swing, chattering, laughing, it's quite the thing. Bananas are tasty, they munch with glee. So playful, clever, full of energy. Now keep on walking, what's that ahead? Black and white stripes on the path we tread. Zebras wear stripes, black and white. No two look the same, though they seem alike. Their stripes confuse lions on the chase, a tricky disguise in a wild race. Step a bit closer, look up so high. What's stretching its neck towards the sky? Tall giraffes with long, long necks, eating green leaves from leafy treks. They bend down low, then reach up tall, the tallest friends in the zoo of all. Stomp, 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 what's that sound? Big gray feet are shaking the ground. Elephants march so strong, so slow, with trunks that squirt and ears that blow. They trumpet loud, they're gentle too. The biggest land animals in the zoo. Look up high, bright feathers we spy, colors like rainbows flying by. Parrots squawk in red, green, blue. Some can even talk like you. Their feathers shine in the bright, warm sun. They flap their wings and have such fun. Ziggy barks, that's our tour, but the zoo has animals galore. Hey, 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 come back again, there's more to see. Thanks for learning along with me.